Hi everyone! Today we are learning our animals in Papiamentu. Are you ready? Can you say si, mi takla? Good! Let's say it together. Si, mi takla. Yes! Let's go meet all the animals. What's that sound? That is a cow. A cow in Papiamentu is baka. Can you say baka? Okay, let's say it together. Say baka. Baka tabi sa moo moo. The cow says moo, moo. What is that sound? That is a goat. A goat in Papiamentu is cabrito. Can you say that with me? Say cabrito. Good. What is that sound? That is a horse. A horse in Papiamentu is kabai. Kabai is a horse. Can you say kabai? Good. Let's say it together. Kabai. What is that? That is a pig. A pig in Papiamentu is porco. Porco. Can you say porco? Good. Okay. Porco tabisa. Oink, 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 oink. Oh, what do you hear? What is that sound? That is a sheep. A sheep in Papiamentu is carne. Can you say carne? Okay, good. Let's say it one more time. Carne. Oh, I hear another animal. What could that be? That's a chicken. In Papiamentu, we say galinha. Galinha. Can you say galinha? Okay, good. That's good. Let's say it together one more time. Galinha. Oh, I hear another animal. That is a duck. A duck in Papiamentu is pato. Pato. Can you say pato? Good. Okay, let's say it together. Pato. I have a beautiful song that goes like this. Quack, quack, pato ding lamang. Bingung ratu meeting pang, pang, pang. You want to sing that again? Okay, it goes like this. Quack, quack, pato, ding, lamang, bing un rato, meeting, pang, pang, pang. Okay, let's sing it one more time together. Say, quack, quack, pato, ding, lamang, bing un rato, meeting, pang, pang, pang. Look at this animal, guys. This is a donkey. A donkey in Papiamentu is burrico. Burrico. Can you say burrico? Okay, let's say it together. Burrico. Oh my goodness. You scared me. This is a bull. A bull in Papiamentu is toro. Can you say toro? Okay, good. Toro. It's time to sing a song with me. The song goes like this. I know my animals, I know my animals, I know my animals in Papiamentu. Baka, kabai, cabrito, carne, pato, galinha. Yay! Oh, I hear an animal that we all know. That is a dog. A dog in Papiamentu is kacho. Can you say kacho? Okay, good. I hear a cat. Oh, there's the cat. A cat in Papiamentu is pushi. Pushi meow. Can you say pushi? Okay, let me hear you say pushi. Good. What animal does this? A rabbit. Rabbit in Papiamentu is konanchi. Konanchi. Can you say konanchi? Let's try that again. Konanchi. Okay, now your turn. Say konanchi. Good. There are two animals that I don't really like. I don't really like a rat or a mouse. I will jump if I see a rat or a mouse. A rat in Papiamentu is jaka. Can you say jaka? Okay, good. A mouse in Papiamentu is ratón. Say ratón. Good. Let's say that together. Ratón. I know my animals, I know my animals, I know my animals in Papiamentu. Kacho, pushi, konanchi, jaka, ratón, toro, burrico. Yay! I know my animals, I know my animals, I know my animals in Papiamentu.